In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to configure room supply settings for your room service portal. To get started, go to the CSP settings section and click on Room Supply Settings. Begin by entering a display name. This is the label your guests will see on the room supplies tile. For example, room supplies. Next, choose whether to enable or disable this feature for guests. Toggle is active to show the room supplies tile on the portal. Then provide a short description. This text appears below the tile. For example, request a service. Set the display order to control the tile's position on the room service portal screen. Then define the SLA in minutes. This is the maximum time your team has to fulfill the request. Once all fields are filled, click Save to apply your room supply settings. That's it. You've now configured room supplies for your guests. Now let's configure item categories. To configure a new item categories, click on the Item Category tab, then click the New Category button on the top right. Enter a category name, such as cleaning supplies, toiletries, or linen and bedding. This helps you organize items for both your team and your guests. Then enter a display order number to control how categories appear in the guest portal. Click Save to create your new category. Now let's add actual room supply items under these categories. Click on the Items tab, then select Add New Item from the top right. Start by entering the item name, for example, toothbrush or bed sheets, then provide a unique item code to track this item in your system. Also, you can optionally add a description. Then enter the item price. This could be 0 for complimentary items or a specific value for chargeable supplies. Select the appropriate category for this item, like pillow covers or linen and bedding. Then enter the item tax % sign, depending on your applicable rate. Click Save to add the item to your room supply list. The changes we made in the admin panel are now live in the room service portal. Here's how they look from the guest side. Once your settings, categories, and items are in place, anytime a guest makes a room supply request from the portal, it will appear under the Requests tab. Here you can view, assign, and track each request in real time, ensuring fast service and a great guest experience.